Quick little tidbit here. If you have noise when you're driving, it sounds like it could be a wheel bearing or something's just grinding in the rear end, check your tires to make sure they're not square. Because this one makes a heck of a lot of noise, and I was worried the wheel bearing was bad, but nah, it's just the tire. The tire is square, or whatever amount of geometry this involves, but yeah, they need a tire. And also probably an alignment and some other things. So don't get too stressed out, and if you have a noise in the rear, just give it a feel. You'll feel it. It's very obvious.